Hola clase, espero que todos estén bien. This is your instructor, Stephanie Brock Gonzalez, and I'm making this video to discuss what's expected of the partner dialogues through VHL. So we are here at our D2L homepage. We're going to go to content and just kind of look and see what are the partner dialogues and when are they due. So if you go to our syllabus, under content, table of contents, start here, we're at the syllabus. You'll find the description of the oral partner dialogues through VHL. They're here. So each week you'll meet virtually with a classmate. You and the classmate are responsible for setting up a meeting day and time to complete the partner dialogues assigned via VHL textbook. You will have 2 oral dialogues each week, one graded for completion and one graded according to the rubric. The length of each oral dialogue corresponds to your level. We are in 202, so it needs to be at least 4 minutes. Students are allowed to prepare their dialogues and use notes when recording them. However, 50% of their grade will automatically be taken off if they read or sound like they are reading. And that's very important. Just want to make sure that that is clear and everybody understands that. You can definitely prepare and practice in advance, but you cannot read the oral dialogues. It should be a conversation that you have with your partner. Oral dialogues that do not meet this criteria will be given half credit. They're to be completed each week by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. and I'll show you where to find them and also when we have the first one due. The partner group works best when you have the same virtual meeting time and date each week. If your partner does not confirm your meeting time or day by Wednesday of each week, you must contact your instructor immediately. Failing to do so by Wednesday, thus not being able to be assigned a different partner, will result in a 0 for the assignment. Okay, so that is on the syllabus. It is really important that you guys are consistent with your partner dialogue for VHL, and I'm going to show you guys exactly where you can find those. So we're going to go, if we go back to our home page, and we go back down here to our virtual textbook, it tells us VHL Central. I'll click on the link, and it takes us to our VHL page, okay? And remember, we're using Imagina, the 3rd edition, for the course. And we look at our assignment calendar. We don't have anything until September for VHL, those activities. And here we have the list of items that we have due each week. Okay, actually, I don't think we have any the first week. We don't actually have partner dialogues. The first week, it's not until the second week that we have partner dialogues. And I'm going to show you the icon that is used to show the partner dialogues. It's right here. And it looks like 2 people having a conversation, partner chat. So here's the first one, estructuras cita. And then the second one is here. This is the icon for it, estructuras que sucedió. So we're going to look those up and I'm going to show you guys what is expected. So that isn't going to be due until the second week that we have VHL activities, which won't be until September 9th. So that gives you some time to get with your partner and figure out what schedule you're going to have. So we'll go to content activities. We don't start with lesson 1, we start with lesson 6, lección 6. Okay, and we're going to go here to estructuras. And it doesn't look like it's here in this one, so let's go to the next one. So we don't have anything. Here we go. Here's an example. ¿Qué sucedió? And here it gives us the due date of the 9th of September, which is a Sunday. It'll be due by 11:59 p.m. Arizona time, Tucson time. So when you click on the link, it gives you here the instructions. It's asking me to allow the use of my microphone. In this case, you would do that. You would allow it so that you can meet with your partner. And it tells you the instructions. En parejas, improvisen una conversación inspirada en esta situación. Usen el pretérito imperfecto de subjuntivo. So it tells you specifically what it wants in the instructions. So you and your partner would look at this prompt and then respond for 4 minutes. And you can chat directly with your partner here so that you'll be able to submit it to me. You'll do it directly in here in VHL, and you will receive your grade on D2L. So there are 2 of these each week. This was the first one, que sucedió, and then we'll look to find the next one, which is here, cita, okay? And we have the instructions that it has here. This is where you would chat with your partner. You will receive 1 grade for each of the weeks. 1 will be just based on completion, and 1 will be based on whether or not you follow the guidelines. And you can find the rubric if you go to content and down a little bit further, grading rubrics. It is here, partner dialogue rubric, and it tells you what you need to get excellent, good, or needs work in grammar, content, vocab, pronunciation, and fluency. So it gives you here what I'm looking for when I am grading your presentation. And this is the rubrics for everything that we use. This will also be on D2L. You can find your group mate by going here to groups, and then you should have somebody listed with you, okay? If you don't have someone in your group, or usually during the beginning of the semester, there's a lot of people that may add or drop the class, and that's why we wait until the 9th to have our first oral dialogue so that we can make sure that everyone has a partner and is able to set up a time with them. Remember, you need to email me by Wednesday before the dialogue is due if there's any issues between you and your partner, so that I can either reassign you or give you further instructions. So these are the ways to access VHL, where to find the prompts, and so that you guys also know when it will be due. So we will have further instructions on this closer to the due date, but I wanted to make sure that you guys knew what to expect. If you have any questions, please let me know.